love that intro. Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Learned to Lean, and that is by the late, great Lee Williams. Guys, we're in the key of D flat, and this is kind of like in a minor, but we're just going to say D flat for now. And this song was requested by Stan Littles. Thank you so much, Stan, for giving us this awesome song that we can work on today. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of D flat. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, of course, like we always do, let's crack our knuckles, let's stretch our fingers, and let's get ready to play I Learned to Lean. Let's get it. That was Lee Williams and the Spiritual QCs. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with let me give you that cool line. So we're starting out with the 5. We're going to our 7 flat, going to the 1. We're going right back to the 7 flat, 5, 4, 3 flat, 4, 5, 3 flat to the 1. And then we start our song. So we're starting out on a nice groove. All right, let me give you that nice groove. So we're starting out on a 1. And we're playing our D flat minor chord, and we're just walking our bass up to the 4, 5 flat, 5, 7 flat, 1, and then we drop down to the low 1. So all in context we're going. Let me slow it down. Now, something you can do when you hit that 7 flat, you can play this G flat major chord. Every now and then you can hit it. It gives a little extra flavor to it, right? So we're starting out with I've learned and depend. All right, let's stop right there. Let me give you that. That walk down is 7 flat. We're going to our 5, going to the 5 flat, and And right here on the 4, we're playing this nice G flat dominant 7 chord. Now on the 4 we have a new walk. What that is, we're still on the 4 and we're playing that G flat dominant 7, and we're going to the 7 flat, 1, 3 flat, and go right back to the 4. So you do that 3 times. 2, 3. So right there on the 4th time you would do this E walk. We're on the E major chord and we're on our 3 flat in our bass, and we're walking up to the 4, 5, 7 flat, and back to the 1. So we go back to our nice groove at the beginning. All I did was I'm on my 1, I'm playing my D flat minor chord, going down to the 7 flat, walking my way down to the 6, 5. Right here on the 4, we're playing this G dominant 7 again, but this time we're walking our way on down. We're going to the 3 flat, 2, 2 flat, and then we're going to our 1 on the D flat minor chord. Then we go back to our walk. And then we're on our G flat dominant 7 chord. Then we go right back to that cool walk on the 4. All right, what did I do? I went 4, 7 flat, 1, 3 flat, play it again. Our change is, all I'm doing is playing this E flat 2 chord, and we're on our 3 flat. We're walking our way up 4, 5, 7 flat, in on the 1, and we're on our D flat minor chord. Guys, that's the bulk of the song. I hope this was able to help you out. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is when fear takes the wheel. So the other morning, my family and I are all set to go to church. It's a beautiful day. Everyone's in the car, seatbelts on, feeling good. Then out of nowhere, my oldest daughter goes, "Dad, I hear a buzzing noise." Now look, I'm a dad. It's basically my duty to keep the car bug free, right? So I get out, do a quick inspection under the seats, around the doors, nothing. I give them the all clear, we're good, let's go. We start backing out, but then I notice my oldest look around nervously, eyes darting all over, like she's hearing it again. And here's where things get wild. My youngest daughter, who already treats a tiny bug like it's a fire-breathing dragon, sees her sister looking scared. And what does she do? She jumps out the car right there in the middle of the street. Of course, we had to stop, calm her down, and say, "Sweetheart, you can't just launch yourself out of a moving car because you think there's a bug." And that's when it hit me like a ton of bricks. Fear is contagious. It doesn't even need proof. It just needs a glance, a nervous look, a whisper of worry, and suddenly we're all jumping out of a perfectly good situation. Most of the time it's just noise, a buzzing that isn't even there. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Guys, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you again, Stan, for giving us that awesome song. I really appreciate it. Please request more. And guys, this is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to... Yep, I heard somebody say it. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. I would love it if you can hit that bell, because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, guys, it takes 3 seconds to hit that bell and that subscribe. I want to see if you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe and you just hit the bell. Guys, you just made my second, my minute, my hour, my day. Thank you so much. You are not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.